Hello, and thank you for watching the fourth instalment on particle physics by the Institute of Knowledge and Research in Science. Please Google TIOKRS to visit our website on more interesting and educational information in science and mathematics. Today we shall be discussing wave-particle duality and X-rays. Wave-particle duality is about the behavior of light and particles and how both act like waves and particles. This is intriguing as we seem to analyze them as being quite opposite things. If light travels through a slit and onto a screen, it will produce a region at which light appears more often. This is not surprising. If light was shone through two slits onto a screen, it will produce what is known as a diffraction pattern. Parts where light appears more and parts where light doesn't appear. This is because this is known as diffraction, as there's interference. As light is a wave, particular parts of the wave interfere with other parts of the wave, causing what is known as destructive interference. So the wave is less intense. Where the light is more intense on the screen is known as constructive interference, where similar parts of the waves collide together to make a more intense image onto the screen. What is shocking is an electron has a similar effect. An electron is thought of to be matter, a physical particle, but it also behaves as a wave. If fired through one slit, it produces one vertical line, which is what we expect. When fired through two slits, we would expect it to produce two vertical lines, to appear as two vertical lines on the screen, but it produces a diffraction pattern similar to a wave. So there are lines where the electron appears and there are lines where the electron does not appear. This is fairly surprising information. Even when the electrons were fired one electron at a time, this pattern still occurred. It is as if the electron goes through both gaps, neither of the gaps, and one or the other at the same time. What was even more interesting was when it was observed which gap the electron actually went through, it behaved like a particle and produced only two vertical lines on the screen. This brought